I'm Morgan, and today I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard feature on our Surface. So first off, you want to press whiteboard, and then you can get the pen. If it's not on this side, then it'll be on the other side. And what you can do is you can press any of these colors down at the bottom. The rainbow is my favorite. And then you just go to town. If you've written something down and you decide you don't like it where it is, you can hit the lasso button. And if you tap this, you can copy it, and you can paste it if you press and hold. Bam! Now you got two charts. Whoa! You can also go just to lasso and move your thing around if you decide it's not where you want it to be. I like to use the Surface whenever I'm learning things in science that require diagramming or some kind of mechanism, because drawing it out helps me to visualize it. And also, I don't like wasting paper, so drawing diagrams out a lot of times on the board is a little bit earth healthy. So first, to send it to yourself, you want to press the middle button here, and then you can go up and hit the email button. You can type in your email, and then you just press send. That way you always have it. And when you're all done, all you do is press end session. It will automatically go for you, or you can press yes.